Hey guys, in today's video, I will show you how to make a Facebook avatar. The first thing you need to do is to go to the Facebook homepage on your app. On the right side, like there are three lines, just click, then click see more. Then you have to look for the option of avatar. But the problem is, there is no avatar options. In this video, I will show you the trick how to enable that option. Just watch this. Go to your Facebook homepage and click the right side, then click the see more. Once you click the see more, there is no avatar option. In order to solve this, let's do the trick. The first thing you need to do is to log out. Then we have to open the VPN and make sure to select the option of United Kingdom. Once you are connected to the VPN, let's close the Facebook app, then open it again and log in. Go to see more once again, and here we go, the avatar option is there. Then you can start enjoying your customized avatar. Just click next. You can select your skin tone. For me, that's my option. Then you can select your hairstyle, the color, your lines, the nose, etc. You can customize. Alright, now I need to go to the color of the eye. You can select whatever you want. Eyebrows, you can put glasses, and you can select the nose. Then once you select your body type, then you have to click the done. Once you are done, then it will load. Just click next. We will try to use this avatar to the comment section. We'll see what happened. Just a moment, we'll go somewhere here. Alright, let's try to comment using my avatar. And here we go. It's cool. Yeah. Alright, now let's try to log out and close the Facebook app and close the VPN also. We'll see what happened. Alright, I already logged out the VPN. Then I have to go to Facebook and close the Facebook, then open the app again and log in once again. We'll see if the avatar option still there. Now it's gone. So that's how you will do the trick. Alright, thank you so much.